Hi and welcome to another portion of my channel which covers my professional IT career. I will be sharing some very basic information in IT, networking, systems, and other cool IT stuffs. I am introducing my channel. Please do subscribe. It's me, Maki, ITSME and ACKY. This is really for me to solidify everything I'm learning. I want also to get a good hand on everything that I want to learn. This involves giving you guys some very good video so I can make sure that I gave the right information. But if you think that I'm wrong, please do tell me and comment down below on each of my videos because I know that I will be wrong sometimes. I want to start documenting my learning from now on, so this can be used as a reference in the future. I will be going over to from the start of my IT career and what I have learned during those days. Anyway, that's pretty much it for now. The next video, I'm showing you my first installation of Centos using VMware Workstation as a sandbox so we can play along with the Linux environment. Thank you and enjoy my video. Okay, so let's start by downloading our CentOS. Actually, to be honest, I already have installed the CentOS on my VMware, but for you guys to follow through, I'm going to guide you from how to download CentOS VMware Workstation up to the installation of the CentOS. So you can just open your browser and just browse in Google, type in download CentOS, and yeah, there. So you will be directed to Centos website and just click on the download. So in here you can select any version of Centos that you want. In my case, I already have downloaded it and I'm using Centos 7. So yeah, and for the VMware, yeah, you can just browse again and navigate through vmware.com and you can opt to buy Workstation Pro, but in my case I'm just using an educational version of VMware. So you can use VMware Player as well to launch CentOS. And after creating your virtual machine, so let's try to create a new virtual machine and select custom. So there's an option which virtual machine you'll use, then hit next. Okay, then browse the ISO image that you have downloaded, and after that one, select the virtual machine name, the location of your virtual machine files, and select your processor, the number of cores. So I set up mine as yeah, 2 gigs of memory, 2 processors, number of cores. So this is just for the installation purposes. So with 20 gigs of hard drive, and yeah, so I have mapped out the ISO image files, and yeah, so that's it. And then so this is already inside the CentOS. On our next video, I'll be showing you the screen installation of CentOS. So this is the screen installation of CentOS. It will give us an option to select our language of choice, and yeah, we are currently in the installation summary, and there's an option to select date, keyboard settings, language support. It will just set the date and select Manila. Right now, this recording, it's already 1:48 p.m. So I'll just set the time to 1:48 p.m. Okay. Alright, so the date is okay. Hit done. Keyboard language option. So next is software selection. So basically, we don't want a minimal installation since we'll be trying out different add-on services on this server. So we'll just select server with GUI, and yeah, we need backup server. We'll select FTP server, file and storage server. What else do we need? Yeah, database server, print server, remote management. What else can we add? We'll be configuring also system administration tools, so I'm going to have to need that. Yeah, database server. So, yeah, let me see. Yeah, we need to have DNS name server also. We'll test that one out. Hardware monitoring activities. Yeah, I hit done, and let's wait for a while for installation to. I'm not really quite sure what's the reason why it has exclamation point. So right now we'll be adding a disk. So let's add the disk, and yeah, let's screen froze. So I'm not really sure how heavy the installation or this Centos is, but if you guys know, you can comment down below so we can let some user know um, the performance of the installation of this. Yeah, so we're scanning the disk and hit done. I think we're pretty much good to go. So yeah, so let's hit next, and begin the installation. Okay, so let's create a password. I'm sorry, username first. So username is J1, and let's create a password for that. Okay, there it goes. Make this as an administrator user. Okay, create a root password. So I also have experience installing Centos on the cloud using DigitalOcean. So pretty much from the command lines perspective, so it's almost the same as with the GUI, except that GUI for beginner users like me tend to be much easy since we are seeing some graphics on where to head next. And yeah, as you can see, the installation is complete, so we'll just have to reboot now our VM. So we'll just select the first one, and we'll wait for the screen to load. Okay, it's taking so long to load actually. Like I've said in the previous clip, uh, let me know if this also happens to you. Some of the guys out there who's also installing their Centos, how heavy is the installation, or there could be something wrong with my computer. I hope not. Okay, so we are now in the initial setup. Let's hit and agree on the license agreement. Hit done. Yeah, let's hit done. Okay, finish the configuration. So this will reboot the system, and we'll wait for a little while for this to load. And there we have it, our first installation of Centos. Okay, so it's still heavy for me. I'm not quite sure what happened. Maybe my resources allocation for this VM is a little low. So yeah, so this is it. So this is the Centos environment, and on my next video on this portion of my channel, let's start installing some of the services of Centos. Um, MySQL really intrigues me, so I think that would be more suitable for our next topic. And maybe let's discuss a short introduction of what Linux is, where did CentOS came from, and some very basic information. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it gives you some information, very basic information, and I hope it helped. Please do subscribe on my channel, and thank you very much for watching.